reduce the negative effects of chemotherapy, di ba? So kahit nagki-chemotherapy ka, natutulungan ka ng GSE, ng grapeseed extract natin, para hindi masyadong baldado yung ating immune system, no? Squalene shark liver oil. Ito na naman tayo, no? It is used to treat leukemia. Known fact na yan, and other types of cancers. Ito yung matindi, no? It prevents radiation illness from cancer X-ray therapy, no? Yung mga nagko-cobalt, nagre-radiation therapy, squalene is very helpful dyan sa areas na yan. Ito pa. Sea buckthorn oil, no? It supports the function of the immune system. It lowers malignant cancers, no? Napakaganda nito, and it supports regeneration of the body after chemotherapy. Para makapag-chemotherapy ka na naman uli, no? It is important kasi hindi titigil ang chemotherapy kung kumakalat pa rin ang cancer mo, no?